Our top story now at 5, a high-profile trial involving 3 former San Antonio police officers will now have a new presiding judge. Eleazar Alejandro, Alfred Flores, and Nathaniel Villalobos are charged in the shooting death of Melissa Perez. The 43-year-old was reportedly suffering a mental health episode when she was killed last June. The trial was set to start this week, but now the judge has been removed from the case. KENS 5 reporter Megan Reyna was inside the courtroom when the judge granted the motion. And Megan, what does this mean moving forward?
Well, Deborah, the obvious is that there will be a new judge presiding over this case. But really, more importantly, for both the state and the defense, they will have more time. Now, both made arguments today that Judge Stephanie Boyd was fast-tracking this trial. In fact, the lead prosecutor on the case answered questions by the defense who filed the motion. He said discovery is still going on, meaning they are still gathering evidence, and at one point said proceeding with the trial this week would have been maddening, considering how high-profile and rare this case is. The defense argued the judge was biased against one of their lead attorneys, and her YouTube page, where she live streams hearings and trials, allows commenters to harass defense attorneys and their clients. Nicola Hood, who represents Nathaniel Villalobos, spoke with us moments after the judge's decision.
Well, it's significant not just to the defense and the citizens that are accused, but also to the state. And you heard the state testify. They filed a motion for continuance. The new prosecutors, Mr. Mulder and Mr. Lunan, needed time to review the evidence. They were still turning evidence over of exculpatory nature or Brady material over to us as of the day that the case was supposed to go to trial and pick a jury. And so you just can't have that.
And I was able to speak off camera with Melissa Perez's daughter, who tells me that she's okay with this decision because she wants the state to build the best defense they can. And really her focus is on gaining justice. Now, we also, a lot of questions now are surrounding when will this trial take place. That is all up in the air. But from the sounds of it, both sides here are completely fine with having more time. Reporting live downtown, Megan Reyna, KENS 5.